Hi, I'm Kristen.
Hi, I'm Kaylin.
We're the Scanlon home team.
We're located at 15826 Powell's Cove Boulevard in the highly sought-after Beechurst, Queens.
We're conveniently located between the Thrognick and Whitestone bridges, near local shops, restaurants, Little Bay Park, express bus to Manhattan, and so much more.
This contemporary townhouse has a farmhouse feel with so many upgrades to offer.
If you want to know more about the neighborhood and local spots, give me a call because I know where to go. I live right here. Let's go take a look. See this property, give us a call, 646-599-5649.
Oh, and bonus, you won't want to miss this large backyard.